I'm gonna make a salsa. We're gonna roast these on the gas grill out there. We're gonna put it on a rack. We're gonna fold in the peppers and then we're gonna puree it. This is not gonna take long. How you doing? It's a little Salsa Saturday here. Listen, I got my brown bag in here that's got my roasted hatch chilies. Okay, the last roasting of hatch chilies. Got it about medium on 2 burners. Got the chilies, nothing on them. Roast them like this, cover, roast them, check them in 10 minutes, turn them. We'll get it really nice. We'll put them in a baggie. We'll pull the skin off and then we'll save them. You know, it's funny, I can already smell them. Crazy. Close it, relax, have a nice day. Come back and visit them later. Whew. Blistery hot, they're close. They've got 5 or 6 minutes on the other side. Believe it or not, that is beautiful. A few minutes and we should be good. Got our paper bag. Let them rest in there, and then I'm going to pull the charred skin off, seed them up, and then we'll make a salsa, and we'll save some for another dish. But there you go. Ooh, that one's going to be good. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a salsa. So I'm going to start, I made a little foil boat for the garlic. I'm going to put it in there. It's about 5 good-sized cloves. These are smaller, so there's more. Get a little bit of oil, set that there. Okay, we may not use all of those. Now we got some tomatillos. About 4 of those. I'm going to throw a tomato in just for fun, because I can. Just a nice big old Roma tomato. Okay, so we're going to roast these on the gas grill out there. We're going to put it on a rack. Once we roast it, we're going to fold in the peppers, and then we're going to puree it slightly with little Louis. A lot of people use salt. I'm going to use little Louis and some water, and then it should be pretty good, but I can tweak the flavor from there, so don't have to do any seasoning, any oil. We're just going to roast these. We're going to give them a little Maillard effect, a little caramelization. With this oven rack here, now most people put it with these little tines down. I do it tines up because then I can lift it up. Little pro hack there. Try and spread them evenly so they roast nicely. Get a little foil boat in there. Look, at salsa's like chili. I don't do anything precise with it. I just cook it. So we've got these tomatillos. I have the lime down at the end. We're going to add just a little bit of little Louis, which is seasoned garlic salt with black pepper. Okay, I'll see you out at the grill. Okay, I got it at medium high. Let's close her up. You know, I think my garlic's done. We're a few minutes away from making our salsa. Well, alrighty then. Those hatch chilies we roasted, they've rested in the baggie. Gonna peel them off, get this skin off. It'll be great for the salsa I'm making. So I'm gonna come in here, cut the end off here. Went a little bit because we want that flavor. I'm gonna try and get all the seeds out. You guys don't have to watch me do the rest of these, so we'll come back, they'll be all done. But at least I proved that I did these. There's no trick here, no sleight of hand. Okay, kids, I put the onions, the tomatillo, tomato, and garlic in there. I'll put about a half a dozen hatch chilies. Put a handful of cilantro, the juice of 1 lime. Now, you can always taste this later, you know, before you serve it, but I think 1 lime is going to be fine. It's always amazing how little salsa you get for all those deals. And then we got about 1/3 of a cup of water, a couple shakers of little Louis, a couple shakers of Hallelujah lime, because that's how we like it. Okay, here comes the key moment. Let's pulse it. Wow. I'm afraid to even taste it. It looks so good. Fantastic. Fabulous. I'm a happy man.